Cangzhou Zhenhua Packing Machinery Manufacturing Company Limited, established in 1999, is located in Dongguan County with convenient transportation access. As equipment manufacturing and service provider integrating R&D, production, sales, and service of packaging equipment, we are professional engaged in the research, development, sale, and service of printing machine, folder gluer machine, stitcher machine, die cutting machine, and corrugated paper production line. We are dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service. Our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. In addition, we have obtained CE certificate and patent certificates. Selling well in all cities and provinces around China, our products are also exported to clients in such countries and regions as United States, Mexico, Chile, Peru, Bolivia, Germany, Italy, Spain, Poland, Finland, Bosnia, Slovakia, Russia, Hungary, Czech, Kosovo, Serbia, Lithuania, Moldova, Slovakia, Egypt, UAE, Kuwait, Australia, South Africa, Ghana, Costa Rica, Ivory Coast, India, Pakistan, Thailand, Indonesia, Nepal, Philippines, Afghanistan, Malaysia, Georgia, South Korea, Kazakhstan, etc. More than 40 countries. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders. In addition, according to our professional industry experience, combined with the market cases of Chinese and overseas customers, we provide one-stop and services and establish a deep and long-term win-win cooperation system with customers. We are confident that we will be your choice if you need a long-run, reliable partner in machinery investment.